Hello everyone, my name is Carolina Quintana. So in this moment we are present the 3 consonant sounds for the course English Phonetics for the tutor Jennifer Vanessa Murcia. For the start we are present the table, the IPA. This is the International Phonetics Alphabet. This is very important because we can make the using verb to make the vocal tract construction. And is have 3 featured on the consonant sounds. First start is place or articulation the consonants. Okay, this is. And the second is the manner of articulation. Okay, this is. And the third is the voicing. Is the major dimensions for the consonants. Okay. So we are talking about the consonant sound P. What is the mouth in the sound being made? And the place of articulation is bilabial. Okay, the sound bilabial are produced with the both lips. Okay, so how the upper lips on the lower lips. Okay, these come together to play on bilabial consonants. Okay, and the manner of articulation P is by the using 2 lips introduced from a complete deconstruction of the airflow followed by the release of the air. Okay, and the voicing is voiceables and unvoiced, which is the mean to you don't use your vocal cords or vocal fold to make the sound. Okay, it is not. For example, program, people, yes, is the p. Okay. The next consonant sound is th. What is the mouth in the sound being made? In the place of articulation is dental. Is defined by position or U-tone. In the teeth tone is the placed either between the teeth or against the back of the upper teeth. In this case, it is between the teeth or the tone in the top teeth. Okay, so the manner of articulation is fricative. Okay, fricative, which the sound is that is produced by high pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. To produce the sound, you have to stick out your tongue little. Okay. The voicing is an unvoiced, which means it's an unvoiced that you don't use your vocal cords or folds and to make the sounds. For example, think, nothing. Okay. This is position. And the next consonant sound is sh. What is the mouth? It is sound being made, referring the vocal tract, and construction is place of articulation is post-alveolar. Okay, the place articulation post-alveolar, the tongue is placed and just behind the alveolar ridge, and the front of the tongue be set up in the palate. Okay, and the manner of articulation is fricative. Okay, fricative. The air flap between the tongue in the top of the oral cavity. More technically, it is a sibilant fricative. This is produced by pushing the air strain along the grooved tongue surface. And the voicing is an unvoiced, which means an unvoiced that you don't use to vocal short or fold to make the sound. Okay, for example, show, push. Okay, this is the end. And thank you so much for watching.